3, 2, 1, go.
This is the first round. Question for you, Team 1. This is the first steel wire suspension bridge in the world. Which two cities it links?
Is it New York?
Which two cities? All right.
Will first be New York.
Okay, yes.
And second, Manhattan. Sorry, no. First is New York. New York. First is New York.
All right, moves to Team 2. Second part you can answer. Second city you can...
New York and New Jersey?
New York is the right answer, which Manav has got it. That's 25. And the second part is...
New Jersey?
Brooklyn. New Jersey is not the right. It's Brooklyn. And the name of the bridge, anybody else? What's the name of the bridge?
Brooklyn
Bridge. Yeah, it's Brooklyn Bridge. That's why we didn't give you the name. So, not a bad start. Not a bad start at all. So, Manav, your audio is not coming. You have to be louder, all right? You have to fix that. Team 2.
Is it live now?
Yes, it's absolutely right.
Okay,
So
I'll talk like this.
Sometimes we'll be sharing few discussions on the chat also. You can have a look at that.
Okay.
If you follow that.
Okay, sure.
So otherwise, I'll be telling you right here.
Sure.
First question done. We move to the Team 2 with question number 2. Lehalas, this is for you. Name the festival. Ignore that D, it's not named. Name the festival and in which American state this festival is held annually from 1986.
Is it in Texas?
You have to tell the entire answer. I mean, if you're sure, then I'll tell you yes, no, whatever. Time is up. Please tell us.
Is it Texas? The place?
Team 3, the question moves to you. You have 5 seconds.
No idea.
All right. Anybody else? It's difficult a bit. I know that. But very famous festival. No, this is in Nevada. All right. And the Burning Man Festival. It's called the Burning Man Festival. Okay. Team 3. Question number 3. That's for you. What is this red-brown mysterious fall called? And where can you find this glacier? That means it's a glacier. Team 4, the question moves to you. Team 4, the question moves to you. The time is ticking.
No idea.
All right, this is the Blood Falls. It's called the Blood Falls. It's found in Antarctica. So I thought somebody will say blood. It looked like that. So Team 3, we have just got one person answering a part of it correctly. That's in the beginning. That's Manav. And Team 4, the direct question for you is right here. A 30-meter high horse head sculpture depicting shape-shifting water spirit. What is it called and where in United Kingdom you can see this? You can, even if you name the country, we'll give it to you. The name of this structure?
London.
Incorrect. The time is up. Move to Team 1. Let's hear from you.
Is it Lancaster?
Lancaster, you mean? No, it is not that. So anyway, you can't have multiple tie. This is in Scotland and it's in Falkirk Council area. It's called the Kelpies. The structure is called the Kelpies. Well, team one, the first question you had got it. Now the question number 5 is coming to you, and just be prepared. Question number 5 for team 1, Manav. All right. This is a satellite image of Adams Bridge. Formerly, it used to connect which two countries? It's not a rib. It's not a backbone. Yeah. Answer.
Pass.
You have time. Take your time.
Okay.
10 seconds you have.
Pass.
Okay. Lehalas.
Is it India and Sri Lanka?
Absolutely correct. It's India and Sri Lanka. This is the bridge which is now submerged inside water. It used to be visible.
Right.
Some people also argue with the point of Ram Setu. This is that bridge. Yes, Adams Bridge. Very well tried. Let's pass. They get 20 for this. Scorers, please note. Team 2, the question directly coming for you is right here. A dessert baked with dough, nuts, butter, sugar, and syrup poured on it. What is it called? And from where does it originate?
Baklava from Turkey.
Superb. I'll give it to you. That's full point. Baklava, absolutely. Even if you told me Middle East, we'd have given it to you. That's absolutely correct. Full pointers for team 2, Nachiket and Eklavya. Question number 7. Do you know what is this? What is the traditional way to eat sushi? And what is the black wrapping around it made of?
Traditional way means
how to eat. Traditional way, I mean. How to eat. I can't say anything further than that.
it's actually the fish not cooked, the raw fish made from raw.
So I'll just make it, give you 5 more seconds extra. And procedure how to eat. And what is wrapped, the 2 parts of it.
Wrapped, I don't know, but it has to be eaten directly. It's rice and...
Okay, gave you extra time also and some hint and moved on to team 4. Can you give the answer for this thing?
Pass.
Bas, haath se khane ka. That's the answer. Traditional way is to eat with hand. And the wrapping is... No, people have generally chopsticks, you know. Thinking of sushi, chopstick dimag mein aata hai. So that's how it is. And then it is wrapped with a kind of a leaf. It's called, let me just check. The name of this is, it's a dark green dried seaweed paper kind of. That is used. Nori. Okay. Team 4, question directly for you. Right here. Lal Bahadur Shastri died on 11 January 1966 in Uzbekistan. In which city was this memorial built and why did he go there? It can be a sentence form answer. No issues.
Tashkent.
Is the right answer? Yes, 1 part. Second part of it? You have time. Very interesting reason. Okay. Team 1, Manav, you have 5 seconds. Already ticking.
Because for some meeting or something?
I can't give you for such a... Generally people go for meeting or something. So anybody wants to take a try? Just a rough try?
Treaty between Pakistan. After war with Pakistan, it was a treaty, but he died there.
Yes,
there's a movie also, Tashkent Files.
Something similar is mentioned there too. 1965 war, which probably ended in no result or something. So they went for a treaty there to sign it as a gesture. And the unique thing is, or the sad part is, in the morning he has signed it, late at night at 1 a.m. he expired there. And the next day, even the better part is, I think Muhammad Ayub Khan was the former president of Pakistan. He carried his coffin too, one of the persons who's carrying on his shoulders. So these things are very hard to find these days. So ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of the first round. This is the David and Goliath presents lockdown quiz to fight hunger. VoiceWorks is bringing it to you. And if you are seeing us on Facebook, please be there. Stay with us. We have 3 more rounds coming up. In a short time, we'll give you the scores where we'll come to know who is where and who is leading the pack till now. This is the 4th round, as in the 4th quiz. We started 3 days back and we have already had winners. And today's winner, the top 2, will be meeting yesterday's winner on Monday. So let's see the scores before we move to the round of entertainment. There is audio, video, which means you guys have to ensure that you can hear and see well. So let's see the scores right away. Okay, that's how it is. So leading the pack is the Lehalas, the club at 17, followed by team 1, both at 20. Team 3, Iron, you are there, not yet there actually. So you need to work it out and ensure that you get a good participation. So that's how the scores will move on. Round 1, we have it. Round 2, round and 25 each. Manav and Zishan in this first round. So first pick from here. Manav, you need to take it. Team 1.
I'll go for 1.
1 goes for 1 and is the fun. Okay, what's this? Landmarks can be seen in this video. You have 20 seconds. Take your time and answer.
Mosque in Bada Bazaar area.
That you have to name it. I can't be so lenient.
God, I can't name that.
Okay, then take your 5. You have 8 seconds. Give answer. Give both the answers.
One is a mosque and other is a church, St. Paul's Cathedral.
I'm sorry. I cannot give you mosque in Bada Bazaar area. Has many names actually. So you could even one name you can have given. I've given it to you. That's very much visible. And church is incorrect. Anybody wants to take a try?
The Nakoda Masjid.
Absolutely. And
the cathedral on Bourbon Road. I don't remember the name exactly.
Anybody else wants to give a try? I'll tell you. It's St. Andrew's Church. St. Andrew's Church. Absolutely. It's start of probably and from there you can see Red Road clearly.
Right.
I'm sorry, Manav, you're very close, but saying the area approximately doesn't help. All right, that's very much possible. That's a Bada Bazaar area. You live in Calcutta too. So we move to team 2 for the choice. See, the ones which are unlocked now and the color of the number has changed from blue to little purplish is the one which has been picked. You have to look into the other options from 2 to 8, which are still locked. Okay, team 2, choice.
Question number 7.
All right, team 2 picks up 7, right?
Yeah.
Listen to it carefully. Here we go.
I'm going to start off with a little song called Smelly Cat. Oh, for those of you who are wondering, this is my real voice. Smelly cat, what are they feeding you?
What the question is, name the TV series. Yes, it's part of TV series. Smelly Cat is a comedy song performed by which character in this series? You have time with you. I'll give it to you. Few more extra seconds.
Friends.
Oh yes.
TV series.
Yes, it is.
And,
absolutely.
I don't remember the name of the character.
You have time. 4 seconds now. As I said, I'll give you a couple of extra seconds. Question was long. Friends, you get it right. Absolutely correct. Anybody wants to take a try?
Monica.
It's, I think, Phoebe. That's what it's pronounced as, right?
Yes, yes.
That's the right answer. And the Halas get 50 points for this. Not a bad. You will be giving tough challenge to everybody.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Team 3. Ayan, take your pick. Number 3. Go for 3. All right. Okay. See here carefully. Okay, the question is, spot the mistake and rectify. Team 3, you have time, think. Question is very simple.
Can I see the video again?
I'm so sorry, not now. You have time, you can think about it. You have time, very easy. Can't give any more hint. There was a mistake in the video and the song. That's the answer in a way. No passes. Who wants to take a try?
Is it Bunty or Bubbly movie?
No. Yeah,
Hello.
Or Shah Rukh Khan is not there?
No. You got a chance.
The movie is Guru.
Yes.
And the song does. The Swadesh, the background sound is of Swadesh.
Absolutely.
The movie is Guru.
Right, that's the mistake, and that's your answer is the rectification. So, Ye To Desh Hai Tera playing on Guru song. That's the thing. All right, all are not simple questions, but they are fun. I hope you're enjoying. Some people say only if I get it right, I enjoy. Let's see.
Yeah.
Okay, Team 4, Zishan. Which one?
5.
Question number 5, Zishan, coming for you.
यो कर लो बात अरे बाबूजी ऐसी इंग्लिश आवे that I can leave अंग्रेज behind. You see, sir, I can talk English, I can walk English, I can laugh English because English is a very funny language.
Heard that before a lot of times. The question is, guess the movie by the dialogue, which movie it is, and what is the name of the character in the movie?
I guess the Natwarlal, Amitabh Bachchan.
No passes, but I can tell you, Amitabh Bachchan is there, but that's not the name I'm looking at, and movie is incorrect, and we don't have much time. So, Amitabh Bachchan, yes?
Bol Bachchan.
No.
Golmaal.
That's Namak Halal.
Yes, that's Namak Halal. And his
character I don't remember.
Yeah, that was the difficult. It's Arjun Singh.
Arjun Singh, right,
yes,
right.
So once you hear it, then you remember, because these movies are legendary in their times.
Absolutely.
Okay. Team 1, we come back to you.
I'll go for 6.
Okay, 1 and then 6. 6. Let's see what you do out here. Listen carefully. It's written out here in red.
Okay.
Don't forget Michael Jordan, Obama a champion, Mandela a champion, Serena a champion, Wendy a champion, Shelly a champion, 958 both a champion.
Okay, the question: who's the singer?
DJ Bravo.
Okay, give it to you for that.
And Michael Jordan and Obama. No, sorry. Name any 2 personalities that singer. Yes, now Michael Jordan and Obama and the singer.
All right, full points for you. Absolutely, Mandela was there, Serena was there. He just wanted 2 names. You got it absolutely correct even before the time started. Super, Team 1, Manav, and full 100 for you. And Team 2.
Question number 2.
It's there, yes, still there. Yes. Yep. Okay, who's this?
Everything about us is a story. Well, you know, it's how I came here. I was really dragged here, and I hadn't been to London, Paris, Venice, anywhere else.
Okay, the question is, name the Oscar-winning illustrator and animator who died recently. Also name any one of the animated series he was a part of. You have time?
Avengers.
Team 2, the question is for you. Yes.
Avengers series.
Is he from the Avengers series?
No. I'm sorry, you haven't got it. Yes, who wants to answer? Zishan, tell me.
Me, Tom and Jerry. And I am Luo something. I am not remembering his name.
Yeah, recently he died. He was all over the news. Gene died.
Louis or something.
No, Gene died.
Gene died. Tom and Jerry, maker of Tom and Jerry.
Tom and Jerry, Popeye. These are 2 famous in India, where others which he created too, like Tom X and Munro. So these were also there. Okay, I thought somebody will get that, but no problem. Somebody is listening on the live also, actually. It's coming back. The feedback is coming back. Yeah. Okay. Team 3. That's your pick,
Number
right?
8.
How many questions left? Let me check. Number 8. There must be 2 left. Yeah. 4 and 8 is left, and you have picked up number 8. That's right, Ayan? Again, in bold red letters, listen carefully.
Kırda kaçınıda, dim da, kırda kaçınıda, dim da, kırda kaçınıda. Junda da da da. Dum da na 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 na. Dum dum da na 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 na. Dum dum agaba. Dum dum da na na de na 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 na. Dum dum agaba.
What's the question? This is an Indian Carnatic version of a popular pop song. Guess the song and the singer. Yeah.
Alan Walker is the singer.
No song. You missed the singer part. The song. Do you know the song? See, we can't play the original song. We played a cover version, Carnatic version. Reason being, it's Facebook and label issues and all these things. So, who wants to take a try? Let's hear.
I'm in love with the Shape of You.
Yes, Shape of You is the
Ed
answer.
Sheeran.
Ed Sheeran. Yes,
right.
absolutely. Ed Sheeran is the right answer, but nobody gets a point out here. Scorers, I hope you're keeping a note of that. And with this, we come to team 4, Zishan and Sishan. 4 gets a 4 out here, because you don't have any more choices. Question is, what is the name of the actor you can see? You just saw in the link, in the clip. And which ocean did Titanic sink? Which ocean did Titanic sink? The name of the actor, the female actor. Chalo, I'll give you that much. And which ocean did Titanic sink?
The name of the character you sing, Rose.
Actor. Okay, I mean, Rose was who? Who was Rose? Since you said Rose, I'll give you.
She's the lead actress. The lady who is drowning.
Yeah. But who is she? Since the time is gone, you can get half point since you mentioned Rose.
I don't remember actually. It was Pacific Ocean.
No. So, yeah, yes, team 2.
It's the Kate Winslet.
Yes, Kate Winslet. Zishan, I'll give you half ka half. I'll give you 25 for that, since you got the Rose correct at least.
Do we get any points?
You get to go to the next round now. So we come to the end of the second round, and it was really so much fun. So friends, this is a David and Goliath, the lockdown quiz to fight hunger. And how are we fighting hunger? We are helping others who wish to help others come here, win for themselves some ration for a rice staple, which is completely provided and donated by David and Goliath. The unique idea which associated with our quiz element. So we'll just have a look at the scores, which the four teams right now had fought amongst ourselves, and after 2 rounds where they stand. Let's see. And just note scorers, Zishan got 25, half of the half, as a Quizmaster's guest. Gift, you can say. So can we have the scores?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Who is where? Ayan, you need to score. You have to do something. And of course, leading is Manav now, with Lehalas falling back by just 25 and Zishan at 50. So team 1 leading the pack, team 2 on second, team 4 on third, and team 3 yet to open their account. Like in cricketing commentary days, it used to be say khata khulna baki hai abhi. So let's see khata kab khulega. Ayan, yours, and seems you need to get back your partner to ensure if you need to move to the next round. We'll start with the same format. This is your question. What is the official name of the virus which is causing coronavirus disease COVID-19? What is the official name of the virus?
Novel coronavirus.
See, you have time. I will not say correct or incorrect. Think and answer.
It's called novel coronavirus.
Okay, since there are no passes, anybody wants to take a try?
Novel COVID-19. Do we call it like that?
No, it is SARS-CoV-2. The virus is called SARS-CoV-2, Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome Coronavirus 2. That's what is called by WHO. Okay, you missed that. This is recently, maybe a month back, they gave this name changing, etc. Everything happened. It started with something else and this and this. How does it matter? It's killing people. That's the end of the day. As long as we stay home, we abide by the government set rules, conditions, norms, I think we can play our bit. Okay. Question number 2 for Lehalas. This reminds you of something, I guess. Tobacco causes cancer, but this doesn't. Name the product.
This is a Phantom toffee cigarette.
Oh, absolutely correct. That's why Nachiket wanted Eklavya to be there, and and he's there and making him win for this. Superb. Phantom sweet cigarettes. Yeah. It's basically again a yesteryear's thing, but probably it's available now also in some places. So full points to team 2 for this thing. Scorers, I hope you're noting it carefully. And we move to team 3 with the question number 3. Name India's national aquatic animal. National aquatic animal. Yeah, what's that? No passes out here. So even if you search on something, you won't get it. You won't get points. Yes, I'll give you since... I wish turtle. I love turtles too, but no, it's not turtle. It's a river dolphin.
River dolphin.
It's a river dolphin. That's a national aquatic animal. I don't know what we do for the animal. It's just national. It's just named. I really don't know. So number 4, question number 4, Zishan. So you're not very far away. You can come to the number 2 spot. So just have to work a little harder with the quiz skills. And 4 is here. What is the similarity between these 2 players? Yeah, they are great players, legendary players. But what else? What is the similarity? Sachin Tendulkar and Messi. You have 10 seconds. Take your time and answer. Think and
both are high scorer, high goal scorer, and high.
I said take your time. Answer. 5 seconds yet to go. Similarity, as in something is common. You can say the common. What is common?
Pepsi, they both use the same and do the same.
I don't think so. It's like that. Anybody else?
Any ambassador for any initiative?
Both have the same jersey number.
Absolutely correct. The Lehalas are thinking it correct. This number 10 jersey, both of them. So one of the jersey I showed it to you, but Sachin I couldn't show. That's correct, and that's good quizzing skills, Nachiket and Eklavya. But you don't get points. I really wanted to give you for that. So number 5, question number 5 is coming for team 1. Manav. Here it is. All right. A bit of reasoning. A, Z, B, Y, C, X. What next? Which set of alphabets should come next?
Is it D, W?
Absolutely correct. Well thought. Super answer. D, W. This is correct. Very well. Number 5, team 1, Manav gets the full...
In our college, what used to happen, we give competitive exams, so we get these type of questions only.
This is how it has become. Right. Absolutely. Okay, Lehala's direct question coming for you is question number 6. In Olympic Games, the winners were awarded with silver medal in olive wreath from 1904. This was replaced with something else. What is it? Okay, time to answer.
The national flag, I think.
The winner. So the winner used to get that, but okay. It's time.
Gold medal.
That is the right answer, but shall we give him the score point for this?
We should at least. We should get some.
So, scorers, please let me know the time we started this. Oh. Okay, we'll give you half the score for this thing. 50, half the score for this. Absolutely.
Thank you.
You were there, you answered at the end of it, and you had some time because the question was long.
Thank you.
7. Question number 7 for team 3. Have a look. Just to have a look and tell me which pattern should fit in there.
D.
Absolutely correct. Ian, you got it this time. Full point. D. See, you need to do this exercise, I guess. You're trying to switch on the light. Okay, the D is correct. It fits in absolutely there where the question mark is. And we move to question number 8. And question number 8 is for Zishan, that is team 4. Okay, just have a look at this and tell me which thing or something you'll find the design on. Where will you find this pattern? Something probably we consume. Which part of it?
Oreo biscuit.
Yes, Manav, you're absolutely right. There's the Oreo biscuit.
Oreo biscuit. Right.
So the Oreo is missing out here. Manav is absolutely doing very well. That's the score we have right now. The Lehalas with that lucky 25 have gone to the lead, and Manav is still in the qualifying with 175, and both of them are way ahead of Lahiris and Zishan. Team 3, Team 4, you need to really buck up, but can you do enough in this round? Let's see. I guess the unassailable lead the other two have got is difficult for 3 and 4 to come back. So because what is going to happen next is, I'll just show you, is round 4. Let's move to question number 1, and that's for team 1. Manav, student from Amity. Let's see.
Reveal.
Reveal.
Reveal. Reveal.
My God.
A.R. Rahman.
Yes, it is A.R. Rahman. Absolutely,
Okay.
A.R. Rahman. Not a problem. A.R. Rahman this is, and Manav is actually settled with his score. He knows that he's going to the next round. So he didn't want to take a chance. This is a good, interesting ploy. Not bad. Rather than missing, because you have to keep in mind that you only have one try. All right, you only have one try.
We have only one
you can't
try. Okay.
keep naming.
That
If
is
you
why
name
I
one,
have a chance.
yeah,
Okay.
I got that.
Okay.
So let's go to number 2, and that's for team 2.
Reveal.
Time is ticking too.
Saina Nehwal.
I'll show it to you now since you already said the name.
Oh.
You missed it. So this has some changes in the position now. Let's see. This is PV Sindhu. So I guess you guys played really well. So team 3, Ayan.
Reveal. Reveal. Neymar?
Yes, that's absolutely right. This is Neymar. Super. So he gets 25 points. Team 1 has scored 25 in this. Team 3 has scored 25. Team 2 did not score anything. They could have. Sorry?
He gets 50.
Ayan gets 50 points. Okay, thank you for the correction. You get 50 points. One more reveal was left. Super, super. So, Zishan, team 4, a question for you.
Reveal. Reveal. Reveal.
Who wants to guess?
Kate Middleton.
Yes, Kate Middleton is the right answer. Super, super. Kate Middleton. Zishan, you played well. Not a problem with that. So did Ayan. But here we come to know that, who are the winners are. Team 1 and 2 are at the top. And we'll come to know exactly who's the winner. But we'll officially declare in just a short while. So through this we come to the end of the quiz, of course. But that doesn't... Some kind of noise. Can somebody take care of that, please? Yeah, thank you so much. So we have come to the end of the fourth round, that is the fourth quiz of this tournament that we started a couple of days back. And our sponsors are really thankful to all of you for being here, for giving out time. Many are working from our homes, like this is work from me too, and still they have managed to take out some time. Like everybody has, we have innovated ourselves how to work from home, and from that also we are taking out some time for this thing, understanding the cause it is. Of course, everybody, we will not be able to give through this thing, but they will come back with some kind of idea to do something of their own, create something of their own, and then help the person who is in need. We'll have a look at the scores after four rounds. It's a formality, I know, but it's important for our beautiful people who are seeing us, watching us on Facebook, and probably supporting for you too. So let's have the scores out here. The Lihalas just misses out by 5 points, 200 to Manav, the winner for this day. And the qualifiers are team 1 and 2, Manav and Nachiket and Eklavya. Congratulations, you moved on to the semi-finals, which will be there on Monday. So with this, I thank all of the members, Manav, Nachiket, Eklavya, Ayan, Zishan, for taking out time and coming out here and being a part of it. I would like to thank you once again face to face, and any last words from the winners, first and second. Manav.
Like, it was a great quiz. Like, the questions also were like, I thought that it will be quite simple. You're giving it something, but later on when the question is coming, it's like, what is this?
What about Nachiket and Eklavya?
It was great. I think it was too short. We wanted one more. This reveal the personality round.
Okay, point taken. Maybe in semi-final we'll be doing something like that.
Right. Sure.
What about Ayan? You took out time for us. That's why thank you, because we had one team short, and being very honest, we asked him, and he was right there. So because there are certain formalities in shortlisting people. Yes, tell me.
It was a great experience. Fine, excellent, and all the best to Lihalas and Manav. Best of luck. Do you guys are planning for any wildcard entry? Anyway, just kidding. Best of luck.
Okay, Zishan, the last few words.
Very nice experience. Salute to VoiceWork and David Goliath.
Okay, thank you. In short, he says few words, but he means it, and it comes right from the heart. Thank you all once again. We go off live, and thank you all the people on Facebook who's watching us. Stay with us, and we'll catch up with us on Sunday with the first semi-final. Thank you.
Thank you.